Hey guys.
One more
That was a
time.
good one.
I know, I just started laughing. I'm sorry. Hey. Right, you have to look here, not here.
Where?
At the camera.
Oh.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, look at the Poochie boys. We're here at Treetops Park. We're gonna do a nature trail. We're gonna show you guys. They're ready to get down. You trying to keep up with your kids? Okay. So yeah, we'll see you when we're on the trail. Stop smiling. Here are the boys. Banjo Man on his first trail walk. Audran. Do you want to say someone? Hey, leave that. You want to say something to the fans at home?
No.
Alright, so I cannot tell if you guys can see, but we just are about to hit a mile. Got some laggers.
Falling behind.
What do you have to say?
Falling behind.
You are falling behind. I want to take her careful. She's on a bike. I'm gonna see if I can get like a cute pic. Come on, boo. Bubby. Small break, and we're almost hitting a mile. Replenishing.
Sweating.
For a treat on our trail, I'm going to be giving him these. I've been having throughout the week. Lulak, you want some? Oh yeah, we want one. Okay, all right, mister. Yeah. Just like it. Okay, careful with the water. Excuse me. Benjamin, no, relax. Okay. There you go. Benji, look, this is right here. Oh, well, you're so good. You sat and everything. All right, Benjamin, come on. He's like choking on it. Yeah. Wait. Alright guys, we're back in the car. Everyone's sweaty. The boys are exhausted. The boys are so tired. We did 2.5 miles. How are you feeling?
I'm fine.
No, you're not. Say the truth.
It's not that bad. Why?
Okay. Well, we're gonna end it here. Thank you guys for coming on our walk with us. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.